You're constantly on the go. Your marketing should be too. With the Constant Contact mobile app, you can easily stay on top of your email marketing wherever you are, at any time, from your iPhone, Android, or tablet device. Have contacts already saved in your phone? Simply upload them into the app all at once from your device. Or, if you're collecting business cards at a networking event or craft fair, simply use your device's camera to scan the cards and automatically import the contact details on the spot. And it's easy to keep your contacts organized by adding them directly to an existing email list or by creating a new one. If you have photos on your phone that you want to use in an email, you can easily add them to your library straight from your camera roll. Or you can snap a new photo and import it right then and there. You can upload multiple images at once and access them later in your account, whether you're on a mobile device or a desktop. Plus, you can edit them right in the app before inserting them into your email. Crop it, adjust the coloring or brightness, add filters or text, you name it. All the editing options you have on a desktop are right at your fingertips in the mobile app. Just because you're not at a computer doesn't mean your email marketing efforts have to come to a halt. You can still get fast, easy, powerful email marketing on the go with the Constant Contact mobile app.